Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. There won't be a voiceover in this video. All products used will be in my description box. If you have any questions, let me know. As always, I appreciate the love and support, and thank you so much for watching. Unboxing time. I got this wig from Human Hair for What, and it's my favorite color, purple, so I had to do it. I had to do it. Oh, they sent me some earrings. It's a synthetic wig. Looks like the part is already tinted, so I don't even have to do anything to it. But look how pretty this is. I'm gonna put this on. Hopefully it's not too small for my head. Look how gorgeous this is. Yes. I think I'm gonna have to wear this wig tomorrow. It's just so pretty. Put some of my style foam on it for the curls. I love it. Beautiful. They have some good quality wigs that are synthetic that are really pretty. I might do baby hairs for this wig. The front, just a little. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.